Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. In the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the videos linked at the end of this video over here. So we had CPI inflation data come out today for the dollar, and it had a very little effect on the dollar pairs, mostly because the inflation data came out as forecasted, so it really was not a surprise to the market at all. We are still sitting at that 50% Fibonacci level, so I definitely would, because of the break of structure to the upside back here last week, I would definitely still be looking for longs. But if this does make a big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, then probably still would switch it up and start looking for shorts again, mainly because the very high time frames are still in a downtrend. If the very high time frames are still in a downtrend and the shorter time frames give you a break down at a Fibonacci level, then there's a good chance that the higher time frame trend will continue. If it doesn't make this picture right here, if it doesn't break to the downside, then I would continue to look for longs because it could go up to any one of these Fibonacci levels and it may just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.